Alright guys, so we have a new drawing today. Today is gonna be a little anime girl, and let's go directly for sketching. So without wasting time, I created a new layer here. I chose the color, some darkish, as you can see, to have for the brush. And now I'm laying down the overall shapes. So I like to make it small like this, like 20% of this canvas, and start with the upper part of the head, right, to give the okay. So this is kind of the chin. It's good to put one eye. This will be a little weirder angle, but yeah, it's something that you need to get accustomed with. So the nose, it's roundish because it's we want to draw like a beautiful girl, so we need to do this clearly. So about the mouth, the nose should come like this, and you can make the top of the mouth, and if the top of the mouth looks okay, then you can draw the underneath part. I'll just draw it very lightly, so I have the possibility to change it. And I noticed already some issues with the face, but that's okay, because right now we don't really care too much. We just want to place, you know, the elements on the page, and then we can, you know, go make her look like that. All right. And then her hairstyle would come like this, and let's say like this, and then goes right in front. So it may look relatively bad or straight up horrible at this phase, but it's okay, because then I notice already the issues with the head, and I know what to make smaller, I know what to make bigger. This is just the first layer, and I can afford to, you know, to play along, because that's the most important part right now, to play along. Then the shoulder would come something like this, then the arm. Okay, then the arm would come a little wider here, the elbow, and her forearm is starting, and well, oh, oops, I drew it too much here. So like that, and then this would come something like this, a little roundish. Here the bone, go down, maybe into a finger, like this, right? So and then the other side of the hand, which goes like that. But right now I just want to make her like front side, like the breasts. So I'm not really sure how big I want to do them, but I know that I want to make it like to look good, you know, so I can change it later. So this is like a part of her, this is how I imagine it, you know, right now. So okay, so let's see, we have the back here, then something like this maybe, and here it's a little, clothes are a bit, and then the side. So I can decide, I can make the whole part of the hair kind of like this, and let's just let it like this, because I don't want to draw the other shoulder, but I want to draw her the other arm, how it goes backwards, and it's a bit smaller than the one in front. And let's see, because right now I'm just thinking out loud. So I want to draw her dress like to be from this side, something like that, right? And then go, oops, no, I think it will go like that. So this will continue into some like a wave, like this, and then continue the other wave, right, for the next next thing, and like that. Okay, so her hand should come, let's say like this, to finish the dress. Okay, and again on the other side. And then now I think I will do like that to show the like the upper part of the dress, and then like this, right? So you don't mind too much, but yeah. So now the lower part should come like this, okay? And then the leg, oops, maybe like that, I don't know, but I know that this one from front should come like like this. So you know, if it doesn't look good, we can always change it, but maybe like this. Okay, and then the leg will just go in front. I'll just save it, so it will be drawing 17 already. Wow. And now I would like to draw like her panties. Something like that, right? So you just you know, bear with me. I know that it doesn't look really super appealing, but I just want to put first the elements on the page, and then we can go from there. Okay, so this is her hand. Thanks God that I don't have to draw the other hand, because I'm really I really don't enjoy hands. So this would be the back side. You can make some like line to show that, and then this will go into some kind of just to see some volume, you know. And her shoulder would disappear here. It would get lost here, right? So then we can make some extra lines. Really, the line work should be very beautiful. So I'm trying to actually. I realize that I think it will be much nicer if it will be like, no, God, I really don't like this one. So I'll just delete a bit of this part, because it just doesn't fit. I want it to be kind of like that, right? And in front, like this, lost a bit, like this, something like that, right? So and her head, it's a little too flat for my liking, so maybe like this would be more like natural. And now about the features. It's better to place the features when the image is small like that, so you don't really get into like issues. For example, right now I noticed that I'm trying to put her eyebrow, but I don't want to connect them. I think that's a big mistake. So I'll just let it like this. For now, maybe I will this side, you know, to look like she has a dress, and it goes outwards, and it has like beautiful waves. This I can go a little later as well with it, and very important here, the panties. I think this is really important how you draw them, because it can make the difference really from something that looks okay to something really nice. So I'll just draw them like this, and you know, the front of the leg, the knee, and this. I think it's actually okay. Okay, I'll just save it again because I'm a little scared that I'll mess it up. This is the back of the hand, and then it goes. This doesn't go straight like that. It goes a little roundish. Everything is about like roundness when you come to the human body. So don't make straight lines. For example, here under the breast, I can come like this with a textile to show that it's like round. I don't need to make crazy stuff, but okay. And then her side of the arm like this. Okay, and now let's go to the ear. The ear is pretty simple. So with the ear, you just make the contour. This is like her ear. Then you make the contour, and then if you want, you can draw inside like a smaller contour, and that's it. You know, game. You don't need to waste more time. And then for the mouth, it's good to draw the corners. And the eye, you can see that it's absolutely crazy. So I don't really like it, but because she looks nuts, you know, and I think it's better to make her pupil go a little like this, and right, to show the volume in her eye. Yeah. I don't know. It's a little. You need to get some experience with the face, and I know that it sounds like, yeah, of course you need to get some experience, but you can sense it, you know, when it looks good. Okay, for example, I drew this line. I didn't really think about why I'm placing it. I just felt that it needed to be there, and it needed. It's not really a good idea. So all right, so that's, and then the undercon, the mouth, like this. I mean, you can experiment with things. So it can be like this, right? And then the eye a little. So yeah. So I guess that's it. And maybe in the next one I will draw her the back as well, to show a little that you know, and then of course this will be all shaded. I don't want to shade it now because it will spoil a little, but so now her back, so this kind of thing, you need to give to the cloth some kind of shape, form. So you can show kind of with the body where it will be, right? So where is pinching, where is doing things. So right. So I guess that's about it. Yeah, and the rest, it will be just highlighting and making like grayscale and so on. And for the hair, yeah, I think I was right. I made her hair a bit like wider, upper, in the upper side, and then in front, I'll just let it loose like that. You can draw some extra lines just for you know, for beauty, but you don't need to make them so strong. You don't need to like focus on them too much. So then the interior of this hand would be darker, right? Because it's inside. And this leg, by the way, this one, it will be darker than this one. So yeah, and this part of the body, this will be also like darker. So let me just make her eyes a bit more contour, because her eyes are actually her you know, the most beautiful thing. And let it like this. I'll save it. So this is the image. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, if you want something else, just let me know. Oh yeah, and one more thing, you can also flip the image in case you want to you know, change something. For example, look, I'll do this, and so I'll just select. Let me just right. Okay, so I'll just select it like this. I'll just select her eye because it's way too far for my liking. So I'll just select it and then move it a bit. Oh shit. I need to do it maybe with the mouse. Okay, so let's see how it looks now. Yeah, I think it's a little better. And if you find yourself in this situation, that you can always like change the face to to accommodate the other elements, so they will look good no matter what. And her eyebrows like that. All right. Okay. So thank you for watching, and the next episode I will color it. I'll color it. I'll just need to find some appropriate colors for her, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.